Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a title page that you can add to your video using PowerPoint. I'm going to take out the subtitle in PowerPoint. Now I'm going to take the slide. I'm just going to say my YouTube channel. And then I'm just going to compress it. And I'm just going to change this to a different font. Let's change it to that. Just going to correct that there, like so. Now let's bring in an office shape here. I'm going to animate it. So I've taken the sun. I'm going to say shape fill, yellow, shape effects, add some shadow, and shape effects, add a bevel. The other thing you can do, we go into here, format shape, or you can right click format shape down there. Go into the middle effects icon, go to 3D format, and I'm just going to make it more rounder. Not a lot, but just enough. Like that. Move, and I'm going to make it bigger. Let's see. This might be a little bit too big, so I'm going to make it smaller. And so the whole idea is to make this animated. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to go into animations. Choose that. Shape format. Make this 6.25. Let's see if that changes it. I made it length and width, same size. File. Export. Create an animated GIF. We're going to choose 1080p at 24 FPS. We're going to leave the background as is, unchecked. I'm going to create GIF. So there we go. Now you have this GIF. You can add this to your video and just you can extend the time that it plays, but it just adds a little bit of interest to your video. Or you could use it in your PowerPoint presentation as well. This could be your company or anything you choose. Okay, that's it. If you found this video useful and want to see other videos just like it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.